Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to use a mastercard online. Whether you're buying the latest gadgets or booking your next vacation, using your mastercard for online purchases is straightforward and secure. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your mastercard details ready. That means your 16-digit card number, the expiration date on the front, and the 3 or 4-digit CVV code on the back. Keep these safe and never share them publicly. Step 1. Head to the website or app where you want to make your purchase. Look for the Checkout or Payment section. It's usually easy to find. Once you're there, select Credit Card, or specifically, MasterCard, as your payment method. Most sites will have a drop-down menu for this. Next, carefully enter your card details into the form. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Type in the card number, expiration date, and CVV. You'll also need to add your billing address, which helps with fraud prevention. If the site offers it, enable any two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Now, review your order summary. Make sure the total amount, items, and shipping details are correct before you hit that Confirm or Pay Now button. Once you do, you'll get a confirmation email or message from both the merchant and your bank. A quick word on safety. Always shop on reputable websites that start with HTTPS and have a padlock icon in the address bar. Avoid public Wi-Fi for transactions if possible, and regularly monitor your bank statements for any unauthorized charges. MasterCard has great fraud protection, so report anything suspicious right away. And there you have it. Using your MasterCard online is that simple. It's a convenient way to handle your purchases without the hassle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.